Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you could put a comment on the video, it helps it out a ton. And click the bell notifications so you know anytime I go live. All right, with that out of the way, today we have donut holes. Really easy to do. So, we have a cup and a quarter of all-purpose flour. To that, I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then I'm just going to mix everything around so that the dry ingredients are mixed together. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, along with a half a cup of buttermilk. And then we're going to give this a stir until everything is nice and mixed together. I believe I added just a little bit more buttermilk to this because the dough was a little too dry for my liking. And then we're going to be frying this in oil that we're going to heat to 350 degrees. And after we've rolled these around to approximately 1-inch balls, dipped them in the oil and fried them for a couple of minutes, then I got roughly about a quarter cup of sugar and spread it on a plate and rolled the balls around. Unfortunately, by this point, my camera was dead and had to be recharged. So, obviously, that footage didn't make it. But, yeah, those are donut holes. Done.